How to change language on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we'll be learning about how to change language on Facebook. So whether you are learning a new language or just want to explore different options, adjusting the language settings on Facebook is quick and easy. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook application on your device. Then log into your Facebook account. Then select the three-line icon at the top right corner to access the menu section. Now on this page, you have to scroll to the bottom of the screen and then locate Settings and Privacy option. Simply next to it, there is a small arrow, tap on it and a drop-down box will appear, where on this drop-down box only you will see the language option. Open it and then here, currently the language has been set to device language. If you wish to change in any language, you can simply scroll down and find out your language which you want to change, and then you can simply change it by tapping on the small circle next to it in this way, and automatically the language will be changed on Facebook.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.